Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. I'm Salwa with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan urged the international community to recognize the reality in Afghanistan. Prime Minister Imran Khan made these remarks on the 20th Shanghai Cooperation Organization Council of Head of State Summit in Tajikistan's capital. Prime Minister Imran Khan said this should include enhanced engagement to address our common concern, steps to provide humanitarian supports and ensure economic stability, and measures to enable Afghanistan to become a reliable partner in peace and prosperity. Prime Minister Imran Khan has underscored the significance of enhancing structured political ties and fast-tracking trade between Pakistan and Uzbekistan. Talking to Uzbek President on the sideline of SCO summit in Dushanbe, Imran Khan also stressed the need of operationalizing Uzbekistan-Pakistan Transit Trade Agreement and increasing collaboration in the fields of education, culture, and tourism. Filippo Grandi, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, called on General Qamar Javed Bajwa, Chief of Army Staff, at GHQ on Thursday. During the meeting, matters of mutual interest, regional security, current situation in Afghanistan, and collaboration in humanitarian assistance were discussed, said ISPR in a statement. The visiting dignity acknowledged Pakistan's effort for hosting 4 million Afghan refugees for over 4 decades. The Election Commission of Pakistan has issued notices to Federal Minister for Information Fawad Chaudhry and Federal Minister for Railway Azam Khan Swati over levelling serious allegations against the institution. The top election has sought explanation from the PTI ministers for accusing Chief Election Commissioner Sikandar Sultan Raja. The development comes 2 days after Election Commission of Pakistan, in a meeting chaired by Chief Election Commissioner, had decided to serve notices of the federal ministers. At least 68 people lost their lives due to the fourth wave of novel coronavirus infections, while 2,928 fresh infections have been reported in the last 24 hours. The New Zealand cricket team cancelled its tour of Pakistan. The development took place a few minutes after it was reported that this first ODI match between Pak and New Zealand was cancelled due to coronavirus. Sports journalist Alia Rashid said 3 Pakistani players have tested positive for coronavirus, due to which the match has been cancelled. Talking about weather, hot and dry weather is expected in most parts of the country. However, rain is expected at isolated places in northeast Punjab and Kashmir. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.